Oh my god. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I feel like I've done a face-to-face video. I've been doing a bit of voiceovers because of so many things that's been going on. I've been so busy, but I always want to get content out to you all, so I'm just, doing voiceovers. But today I'm here to do a very special video, my first on-screen video back in like a week, and it is to do with something inside of this lovely little box. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from the post office, then keep on watching. Alright, so without further ado, let's just get started. I'm just gonna open this box. Alright, so let me move it, I guess, a little bit closer. So I guess just a little backstory while you're looking at this box, because I do want to tempt and tease you a little. I ordered this package from Amazon. I will try to link this if the seller still has any more left available. And it came from Florida. I ordered it over a week ago, and I think I ordered on a Friday. It was shipped out on a Sunday. It arrived to my house, I believe, on a Saturday, but I wasn't home. Sunday, UPS isn't open, and Monday was a holiday, so today is Tuesday, and luckily I also am off from work, so I went ahead and picked this up. So now that you know exactly what my story is, so okay, so it comes with a care card. Can you see kind of what this is? There's a bunch of these like little popcorns that I hate so much, but let me just pan the camera down more. Alright, can you see what this is? Can you see what this is? This is the world's tiniest freaking Hoya Compacta Carnosa Variegata. This is just a beautiful plant to add into my collection. I'm so excited to have this baby, to have this bad boy in my collection also. The great thing I would say about ordering this and it already coming in its own pot is that I don't have to worry about giving it soil, but I actually do want to go ahead and give this soil, like my own soil. But any specs of this plant, I guess I'll leave down below. But as you can see, can you see these beautiful variegated features? This one kind of has like a little holes. I ain't tripping too much because whatever. But yeah, so I believe I paid maybe $30 for this little thing. For sure, I'll explain this in another video, but I wish I would have waited before I purchased this plant, because in my next coming video in regards to a Hoya Compacta Carnosa Variegata, you'll see why I should have waited. But yeah, let me just unzoom you up and pan you back up to see this hideous, tired face of mine. Alright, so, but yeah guys, so this is the new plant in my collection. I've been wanting a variegated Hoya Compacta for a long time. One thing I would say about the listing from Amazon that I purchased this from is it's a bit misleading. I expected to get more from my purchase than a little snippet. If you look at my regular Hoya Compacta, I pretty much paid 1/3 of this price for this plant. So I wouldn't say I kind of felt a little, bamboozled, but I need to do my research a little bit more. I spoke about that in another video, but I should also take my own advice, which is why now in my next video in regards to the Hoya Compacta Carnosa, I will explain totally why. I wouldn't say this is a regret purchase, but it is a purchase that has told myself to slow down when it comes to my wish list plants, and to basically not rush into it, because unless it's an endangered species, and even a rare species, you can find them. You just have to be patient. But I guess mini update of my Hoya. This baby is creating new leaves, new unfurlings. So I'm so excited to just continue growing this bad boy. And I cannot wait for this also to flower. I see these little like nodes that are forming. Can you see them? I'm excited to see this flower. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video featuring my unboxing of this new Hoya Compacta Carnosa trunk. This is so little. Honestly, this is the tiniest thing ever. I'm not gonna say I'm a little disappointed, but I am a little disappointed. Like I said, the listing was misleading. I expected to get more from this plant, from this purchase, than I received, but it's my fault. And as a plant parent and as someone who's purchasing plants online, you should, I guess, wait and not jump into something unless it's like something that you know you'll not find again for the deal that you're finding it. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it. Also, do you have Hoyas? Do you have a Carnosa Compacta Variegata, or any Carnosas, or any Hoyas of any sorts? Plus, let me know what are your wish list plants, because this was one of my wish list plants, and now I have it. So I can't wait for this thing to look like this. You know what I mean? So I am going to repot this, give it a bit of a drier soil, and don't forget to enter my giveaway featuring this philodendron for my subbies. All the information will be listed below, but it's really easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow my 2 social medias, and tag your name, your Instagram handle under the video, and that's it, literally. So win your own beautiful philodendron, yeah. So thank you again for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.